Umurebe wa TV Murungi wasiba kurungi eshaha zaba ibiri ziciro kandi neshaha eyamakuru AGACENCWIRE erizuba nizoba riro wa gatano 2013 ebyokwezi kwa kabiri umwaka ugw'2026 amakuru AGACENCWIRE ntugakuretera botunu okuruga hakashozi boma aho mu rurembo rwambara kandi twijaga kuseho agutwa kurundanirizo beri ndi Elias Rutugusa konkanta kagakuretera ombwijire reka mbanze nkoreke bikure byija bgebembire rero nabwanyuma tuja kuseha amakuru ombwijire AGACENCWIRE kireki ebuze bya senior yakana habwo umwaka ugw'2025 byashohora abejo bucweka 9 na 9 n'ubutonyezo mukaga harigana bashikire.
Congratulations, the Ministry of Education, to UNEB and to Uganda.
Ishomere rya Oxford muri Ibanda ryajaguza habwo kusinga bigezo.
Twebaza abasomesa, twebaza administrators.
Iryakozire bye cyamushanje mu mberambi rutunjiro buhwezo muri ntungamo.
Ishomereri rubite hare.
Kare nyongera okutanjera omakuru gita AGACENCWIRE kandi urukuzaga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa erizoba ministry yebyobwegese hamwe na nemizano yashohoza ebirigire omubuzo ebya senior yakana ebyomwaka ugw'2025 omukoro gwo kushohoza ebigezo ebigwakorerwa aha muri nakasero kandi minister webyobwegese hamwe na nemizano Janet Kataha Museveni nuwe yaranjeje bigeze ebi kandi obucweka 9 na 9 na n'ubutonyezo mukaga 9 aharigana ubwo abeja bakozire bigeze ebi bona bashikire.
Abeje mutwara neshate 2023 no bayihandikise kushitamira bijuzo bya senior yakana wajajanisa no mwaka 2024 abeje mutwara 35 kenda 2017 bayihandikise Echenchore cyaracumwe okumu barugwa beje bashitamire bigezo byo mwaka ogwo yonjire nabeje mutwara umushanje 2026 na mukaga barukora buciyeka 20 n'ubutenyezo bibiri abashitamire bigezo byo mwaka ogwo abishinde bingane mutwari 15 10 rukaga na babiri abarukora buciyeka 35 n'ubutenyezo 8 kandi abojo baba bari mutwara 20 10 na babiri barukora buciyeka na mushanje n'ubutenyezo 3.
However, 4 years into the implementation of the curriculum, no empirical evidence existed that the learners were indeed acquiring these skills as casual observations appeared to suggest. The Honorable Minister of Education and Sports posed a question, that was you, Mama. What is the difference between the learners who have gone through the new curriculum and those that went under the old curriculum? UNEB conducted a study in an attempt to provide an evidence-based answer to the Honorable Minister's question. The results are a summary of the main study document. This study was conducted alongside the 2025 National Assessment of Progress in Education NAPES survey to assess our Senior 2 learners achievements.
Abeje mutwana nebiri kanana rukaga 28 abashitamire bigezebi barukora buciyeka 9 na 9 n'ubutonyezo kaga na 9 bashiri abeji rukume bishatu abirunomwe no bataratunje certificates zo mwaka 2025 wajajanisa no mwaka 2024 ahabeje mutwaro mukaga rwenda shanje nabana bagwiri.
Agreed that the current learners demonstrate stronger problem-solving skills. That is, they can reason and analyze, they can do research on their own.
Abeja bintu burema habubiri yabo habayihandikise kore bigezebi ndibingana rushanje 8 aho abojo bari bishatona na babiri kandi abishyu bari bishatonkaga na mukaga. Embo hatano nina izayetabero mu bigezo byo mwaka ogwo babishatagwize ahimbara main prison ikashtamsa abashiji 12 kandi ruzera apa yashitamisa abashiji 36 n'abakazibana.
Teachers under the new lower secondary curriculum are able to identify problems and propose solutions. Unlike those who studied under the old curriculum, they demonstrate stronger critical thinking skills.
Gama amashomo agwabeji bakozereje ganum Christian Religious Education ninga CRE Geography n'urujungu. Omuze go kopa bigezo nabwo tugubuzire ahe mushango kaga na mukaga niye kuza kushondozebweho ahabeji bakopere bigezo na mnonga biology, mathematics hamwe na physics.
The results confirm this as a very good curriculum, destined to produce the kind of Ugandans that the country needs to propel its socio-economic growth to the middle income status that we envisage. The results of the study indicate that the learners research and can construct knowledge. They are creative, innovative, and communicate better.
The 2025 UCE results, as reported by UNEB, paint a very encouraging picture. The percentages of learners reaching defined levels of competencies has improved from those of 2024 cohort of candidates. This improvement in performance is by and large attributed to the fact that teachers have adapted their teaching approaches to what competence-based instruction expects. The teacher is a facilitator of learning and not the source of learning. I trust that as we move further along implementing the competence-based curriculum and our teachers become more conversant, such better performance shall be consolidated.
Abahangwa bakozira har karicura mwesya kwa bantu kwereka mu karicura mwigeriyo nekoraje.
I'm so grateful to God that I obtained 5 A's and 4 B's and also happened to go in result 1. I really thank my parents, my dad, Mr. Mhanja Augustus, and also my mom, Achille Justin.
Na basakora na bizo nkatine kine cyabakirimu simira nsima munonga izoberi nsima mukama wambaza kumisa izoberi
Gashoka Christopher Himsobwe
webare Christopher Himsobwe twagumizamu na makuru abishomere rya Oxford Secondary School muri Ibanda nabo bajaguza abo kusinge bigezo ebya senior ya kane byashorera izuba aba bakashtamisa abeje nshanjo na munana kandi bona bizero mu result 1.
Amashemero bwo rukoreba ayishemero ya Oxford Secondary School muri Ibanda ngijo bwa nyuma yebigezo by'ikibina cya kana kushohora.
Elizoba nashemera munonga abegi banje ko bakora abo mwaka gw'ubwire 2025 n'abasenior 4 results zizaje abana bona bizira mu result 1 twatunga A's 22 twatunga B's 2 emwe tino mwana wizira mu E tino mwana wagwa
Okujira hari mukuru w'ishemereri Edward Serukera bona batonje result 1 kandi tino mwejuwe no gwire.
Ikintu tusimbira ruhanga so ninyengira kwe sababazire mutusindikira abana tukora umurimo gwitu nkako tutwentu gukora Oxford ekiryamuramwa.
Abeyizo bashanga bari kuza kutandika kose nyama nko muringo gumwego kujaguza kandi basima bashomese babo hamwe n'abaziri.
Kandi I'm really thankful kwa bigezo bizere kandi twasanga tukozereje general as a school, so we thank the school administration, we thank our dear parents abakozera mu muhango.
They perform very well. There's a N, a B's and some C's. Yeah. Ati nisima wazire banje nisima administration na bachazi bona. I also thank the Almighty for doing for us this.
Nisima mkama abijoberi no busingizi byatwereza
icya kabiri ni itsima abashomesa abakozere ubutaraha twereza cyo nikikwetagisa gukora ebigezo kandi tukabisiba.
Richard Nwagaba omushomesa urukora hanshonga z'abeegi yashobora akaricura mwesya no kwa beegi aba basinga ebigezo byabo.
Grading omwana hati nakora required best nakora A akora B akora C akora D hamwe na E. A twakimanyisa ngogwa the exceptional kandi owa B kuna bari excellent owa C na bali moderate learner then owa D kuna bali best.
Yagaruka yashobora ngo abeegi abasingire munonga amashomo ga science kandi yashaba baziro kureta abana
bitu basingira kimwe na munonga amasomo aga sciences. So that's so great and we are thanking every stakeholder.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.
Webare Timothy Mushabe twakomezamo na namakuru mu district ya Ntungamo ishomere ryakozere kurunji ebigezo bye cyamushanju konka abeji barukushomera omumberambi ritungire obuhwezi. Ishomereri rukumanywa nka New Victory Community School rukatandukwaho abazire becanga canyanga omurubare sub county okwera abana babo okutambura engendo ndingwa barukuzaha amashomero.
Aharwakatano rwesabite huire nubwo twakureka embozi makuru AGACENCWIRE eyishomere ryo mu mberambi aho abeji abashomesa hamwe n'abazire bishomere babiri bashobangirirwe barukushaba buyambi bwanyuma y'embozi yitu omunyambabazi Jonathan Muhumuza okuruga muri PRU abakwatireho
kumera ryaha abatine mushora anaka TV mwikere mukutaho
bakarahize naye mupiyo kireho ebiti kugora munindongo bururu no bururu kandi nza no kusinga babire baruho kuko Jonathan kagiranti ebyo gutegeki kandi techa hazinanyine omuhando kukumpisa kugaburira abantu nshobora ndete mbagaburira yawe
arwo bana binje mu community mu batakwebaza ishomero tukihayo otakwebaza abinji barino bashomera busha. So we are expecting to have a enrollment to surprise you. Konkitu abo mutima gutwagizire tukasharo twandangwa nana batakwebasa rikabishe
ningenda kubagandira cyangwa okusettinga standard konka kigumire kugumohoka gumoheka umwaka n'ubundi mugero nimbashabira that maintain what you have started.
Ogu abakwatiriwe nesha wigana za cement hamwe n'umushenyi gwa $3 kandi araganise no kuongera kuruhwira rakatunguka.
Aba bagerengire bakabeta abakawempe baza kubanda barikone bareba amativi burishaha.
Ishomereri rurutehare numureba nko kumukureba wano reba tokuyikiriza ngo nibyo rishitisa abana
abazire okohereza abana aha enkito teriho uniform teriho ekitabo tikiriho ekarama teriho okazomo kasindike no mbane wabane kasitani bamushomesa ebambire basara ingaha.
Ishomereri rekatandikwa abazire bo muri kagwanyanga umurubaro muri Ntungamo okutambira abana babo kwerwanje ndo ningozi babiri batambura kandi mu bigezo by'umwaka guhire rikisa abana 10 mu idara ryo kubanza abandi 10 bizero mu idara rya kabiri gashakwa erakiza
webade erakiza twagumiza mu namakuru abakozi ba district ya Rubirizi behanangerizibwe okutama no mukora imirimo yabo bareke okurebera hakubongeze mishara ubwe barukora bushabe na nebindi bugambirwe izobe ryanyuma abazyo obutimu kurga mu State House ebirene bugana abakozi aba district ya Rubirizi.
Izoba ryanyuma abazyo timu kurga mu State House eyebembirwe Sister Dr. Mary Grace Carroll esibero mu district ya Rubirizi okureba ebikozerwe otiriho no kureba programs za government okozera kutambura aba babandize n'urukiko rwetabirwemo abarokora za department zitari zimwe na zimwe mu district age kandi bamwe batugambira ebizibu ebero kuteganisa district age.
Rubirizi district ni district y'abantu bari kuhinga ibikurya byabo bakwenda bitora mu katari bafune makasente bashomesa abana nawe tekateka muntu wakashaka urukurete binyanja ariko yakashaka injura yamara kugwa maze kushanga tafuna chance yo kwasa kubireta umwe bararayo umwe abantu kubikora imirimo yabo shanga n'icumbagira umuntu wakatanda uri kuhinga kitoshe ari kwenda ku kireto mu katari cyurugu kugira ngo afune makasente so enguto shanga zikubaremesa okukora businesses okutwara ibikurya byabo mu katari
tekogizire mu ubuherezo abo bantu baburijo buryo mu ruko government so abakozi ba ruko government babe nibo batama mani ukongera ubuhereza ukira aba ofisi yaba mu ministries
nobwe bizibu bihirweyo ebirumwa abakozi okubura oburaro hamwe n'ebindi bingi we sister Dr. Mary Grace Akirol agizire ngo bingi n'abakozesa rwekwasezi ahabwo butenda kukora.
The issues of accommodation for teachers is not only Rubirizi. Countrywide there are these gaps that have been identified. So why is it that someplace somewhere people are committed and doing their best? It is true that the element of teachers accommodation, we actually talk about staff accommodation.
Nabwa nyuma y'urukiko barambwira ebindi bingi ebirimo project za government ezirwa mu district age eziriyo nizikorwa
kabiri yahuire konka ikirirwemo ate ikirirwemo imyezi mushanju kandi iki kikaretwa contractor kutamobilizing ry'abakozi na materials zameze tagakora umurimo
nangu tukubiri turi kubona ngo kaci tukira kwenda abakozi bamanye all the time ninga shubiro bwinji no kugira ngo itwe tushemerire kurengwa imirimo ya government yagenda mwisho
obwa hataba bari mu cyanga cya burenge rwizoba okurebuza project za government ezirga hakorwa gasha kwa Onesimus Ndyanabo
webare Onesimus Ndyanabo murebe witu wa TV sto murunji ni kusima aho rukuturebera hona kandi webare na nokutorana kureba TV West studio makuru agacencwire konka naza kubanza mpumure ukace ingaruka na makuru agande
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
agarukurataho bakuru b'amashomero bahendera kutora n'abarukuzo musiniya yo kubanza
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecanyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manyabino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33.
noro n'umwanya gw'obuhumuro ogurimo businge kandi guboniro muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel nitho buraro bwo murembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokoramo amagenyi agaburicika oine business meeting reta abantu bawe conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanse ebyokurya ebyaburi muringo rero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimu ecyo kunywe cyekika cyona ecyo rukwenda ebyo kwerinda byitu bikebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 075 tusange asungine nakatare kakatozo akashozi kabeharwe omuri Mbarara City.
For years, they have studied, they have trained, they have persevered. Now, the moment of honor has come. Finns Medical University is proud to announce its 5th graduation ceremony. We cordially invite our graduating class of 2025, their esteemed parents and guardians, and the general public to join us in this celebration of academic excellence and professional dedication. The chief guest will be the Right Honourable Anita Amang, the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda. The university will also celebrate its charter. The ceremony will be held on Friday, the 27th February 2026, at the Finns Medical University campus in Fort Portal. Proceedings commence at 9 a.m. Finns Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa.
Bumbeire Secondary School Day and Boarding eri kushangwa Bumbeire Bushenyi District ekwiniro bwegese burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru binabashomesa batendekirweje abeji nibahikira hidara rya higuru buri mwaka nirimwo mu mashomero agari kwijagebembire Bushenyi District. Bumbeire Secondary School ine library na laboratory na computer lab ziri kwemalirira ahabwa abeji kandi zirya mutindo gwa ministry yebyo bwegese. Bumbeire Secondary School ehandikise na ministry yebyo bwegese bine UNEB center number emyanya kiriho okurwa munsi niya yo kubanza okwiko munsi niya yakana 2026 kumanye biri kukiraho tera note mushanje 2 3 21 23 ugambe na director Mr. Barahuka Denning.
Manager ogito wagito ko kama tumukidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wearinge byoma tugumiseze shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunywa mbogo
na wampensiyo na nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nikolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
We labor to excel is our motto. Long live Bonnie Conceal.
Hello Bonnie Conceal viewers. Once again, I welcome you to your dearest channel, to your dearest TV at Bonnie Conceal Girls Vocational Secondary School. We are located in Isinjiro district in western Uganda. It is a girls' school. Our focus today, we are going to look at the Bonnie Conceal girls. They must tell us what do they like about their school.
Bonnie Conceal is very wonderful, and what inspires me the most at Bonnie Conceal is the way Bonnie Conceal girls behave.
First of all, I like the discipline of the girls of Bonnie Conceal. Take a look on the respect they give to the teachers and the fellow students too.
I find Bonnie Conceal a home away from home. Our head mistress, she's one of the best head teachers in Africa. She parents us like a mother.
Sister Dr. Mary Gladys Kachopi Amoti.
Come we labor together, come we excel together, because here at Bonnie Conceal, this is the spice of Africa. That's what I can talk about Bonnie Conceal.
Best friend wa fe emuteni yo ya dala gamba ti best friend emuteni yo ya dala nyo
tutandikidde Kampala ne tugenda mu ggwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba.
Twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente ezo ziba nyingi nnyo.
Sasula school fees ng'okozesa momo onyiga *165*80# ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van naawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo
ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazimo rya hano bariyo bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakire wansugo mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo guje hakunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufondorira kahurire
konka mwami tera chairman wembaga atongeze yo nagwe kishahemu ito twe tuyo ntumyo diplomate akatwe kanuzira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara nabagine diplomate ebindi byayenda bireje bigende nabagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomate habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS
twakuretera ishomero nyamurungi Light Secondary School Nyabubare Bushenyi District niryabojo nabishiki kandi ni day boarding ine unib center na license ya ministry y'ebyobwegese bamazira ubwire buringwa bari gukora job bigezo ibya senior ya kana na senior ya mukaga omuri Bushenyi District bine library na laboratory birya mutindo gwa ministry y'ebyobwegese otebirwe na computer lab kandi bibyona nibihwera beji okwikaja amashomo gabo nishangwa umugombora ya Nyabubare omuri Igara West bakine emyanya musine yo kubanza okukasini ya mukaga iwe tere simu uyetunjira umwanya noto mushanje ina 3 5 nemwe 30
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojo nabeshiki okwija kushoma certificate y'obunasi nursing certificate y'obuzalisa midwifery diploma y'obunasi extension diploma y'obuzalisa extension itenda cyo handiswa mu bwijire omu ministry y'obwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyo ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batenda kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara entambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwo abeje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashasha sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Uruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamu na namakuru agacenjura gishwekeki koti erikujunanizubwa akugonjoro buticerizana hagati y'empa mishoro hamwe na n'ekitongore cya URA ya Tax Appeals Tribunal erizoba bahurra emishango mushanju kandi amishango eji bacwa mwena kandi emishango ndije 3 neyo garukamo kushitama kucwamo ku kwakorerwa office zabo eza Tax Appeals Tribunal umurika mukuzi aho mu Rembo urwambara
okure mishangweji kwaba kwebembirwa honarebo Kristo kabajwara orukure kitongore cha Tax Appeals Tribunal kandi ogu nashobore kigenderwa cye kitongore ki.
If you are a taxpayer outside there, you're carrying out a business, you are employing people, and you receive an assessment from the URA saying you have not paid your taxes correctly, and if you do not agree with that assessment, you come to the Tax Appeals Tribunal after you have followed certain procedures, and we help you to resolve the dispute or the disagreement.
Tuba dele court tutude batulina emisango gyetowulira naye mulimu omuntu agambye nti bane nzono income gye bangamba ku tiini yange sigirabangako nga kirabika walinganga waliwo omuntu akozesa tiini ye mwegendereza temugaba tiini zammwe kakati tugenda okuwulira omusango ogwo tuyise ofiisa ba URA lwe tunaabeera wano omulundi oguddako mu Meeyi.
Koteji ya yejumba mempa mushoro abatire yo kwetombita kwabo hamwe n'abamemba ba tribunal kandi emishango mushanju niyo yahurirwa.
In full and final settlement of that application number 079/2024. The registrar is hereby directed to endorse a consent
settlement order from tax appeals tribunal, but waiting for the registrar to sign.
We came to handle and hear some cases between that have been brought to us by taxpayers in the business community against the URA. We handled 7 matters, and many of those matters that we handled, we have been able to resolve them today, which shows that coming to Tax Appeals Tribunal works, and we are here to help you.
Bwanyuma yako tukusitama twaganiraho n'abakorokoro mu kitongore eki nibaterera empamushoro muranga okugumana babike bahandiko byabo je okubasa kubawera habaho obuzibu
wano manyango ori omushubuzi kandi oyine tin number ningo oyine ni tin actually or registered na Uganda Revenue Authority obike bihandiko byabo
twatenda kubashaba waba ori empamushoro ninga uripenda gukora business oyije aha Tax Appeals Tribunal twebuzaho hahine cyukushorera
baterwa muranga imponka abantu abayibo umusoro abagiye kwembaho okugira ngo umuntu aragire shonga nkezo mpo ayejunise ubuhereza bwa Tax Appeals Tribunal
gashakwa na Good Fatima
webare na Good Fatima twagumizamu na namakuru abakazi ba Mahame Financial Services bakwatanise na bagenzi babo kurga Canada babyara imiti inkomuringo gumwe ogukurinda ebyo bahangwa MTG bajibyara umurikoga arguto urwa itendero ishaka bushenyi kandi babantu bonje raryejo eyibabire babyire
abakazi okurwa mu Mahame Sako na za Sako ezindi barukushajukwa abakazi ba CDF okurwa mu ihanga rya Canada erizo babyara emito mu mbazo z'oruguto rwa bushenyi shaka kandi aba batandikira harukoga okuzitendero Amumpire Edida or branch manager wa Mahame Sako mu Rukabwohe yatugambire kigendererwa cyo kubyara emiteji
Mahame ekatsponseringa yatwara kushoma naba CDF Canada after training twarijira ka training twashitama nk'abacyara ba Mahame twareba ekishemire korra community twachuzinga kugira ngo tubyare emiti tugarurire busya environment yitu ahabwitu na generation zezuru kwisha so twasharamu tubyare emiti kurga koga ahaboda yashema nambarara kuzakandeke ahaboda yabushenye na shema
kandi mugaze ba customers bitu for example okubyara emiti protecting the environment kandi yambaho ahanjura so kunkubano yambanjura kumanyisango ecyanda no bwachituye haza kiyamba hari ebyingwa byaba members bitu bashanga byakoraje
Kiria Patridge okurga Canada yasima abakazi ba Mahame Sako okutandikaho project yo kubyara emiteji eyekika cha Guriveria nko muringo go kurinde byo bahangwa omucangeki
to help the environment. It's a resource for the women of Uganda to help with their homes, and as women we're so proud to be here from Canada to do our part.
We're overwhelmed to be a part of what the women here in Uganda have done after being in Canada at the Women's Mentorship Program. Some of the projects we've witnessed, and this one with them planting trees is just incredible for the environment. We plant trees in Canada as well because as women we have to protect the environment.
Nabwa nyuma yo kubyara emiteji abakazi abo kurga Canada batayira offices za Mahame Financial Services omurukabwohe ekigendererwa cy'abacyaro kurga Canada no kwenda kukwatira abakazi okurwa mu za Sako zitari zimwe na zimwe mu Uganda ahansi y'ekitongore cyabo echa CDF ninga Canadian Women Mentorship Development Foundation.
So kutuyizire abakucyara aba twabagorera amati twabanza twabegesa twabaretera na trainers nabo baba traininga uko bakwasa gukora ibintu by'umukono kubahereze kwata twabagorera materials izo kukozesa kandi twaguma tusaye kuba supervisinga kureba ibintu ebyo yaba bariyo nibakora
kandi nerizoba twa displaying ibintu bite batwegise tukore twagira n'umugisha bwo kugambana n'abajunga bakuga Canada.
Abebembezi ba Mahame Sako basima abacaraba okuruga Canada okubangura abacaraba babo.
Tukuguma mu office kaba Mahame nangwa na cooperative ziwareva twine kushobora tukareba abantu aba batura bata kandi mbeni tetwabatayisa nibenda kubahiga mu bintu byentunguka mwene rizo abatusibira bahaga bacaraba okubahiga bagende bazo mu bintu byentunguka kandi batungure byanga byabo.
Ndi Evans Taremwa ahabwa TV West AGACENCWIRE.
Webare Evans Taremwa abebembezi abarukora ahabwatirine nebya sente okurga omuri Ibanda hamwe na no mu district ya Kamwenge bashaba batura na munonga barukwende ntunguka okwekwata isi ya Sako ahabwe birunje byeyine aba okugambe ebi no isi ya Sako yayibebiye bembire mu omushomo gwo kwegesa ba member ebine kukora okonjera akutunguka kwabo.
Omushomo ogwebembiremu abebembezi b'isi ya Sako gukorirwe omuri shongorero
erizoba nabajeta member education ukwegesa ba members bitu nkuko kubasa kuya sente ukagaruka ukazikoseje ncisha abareta hanuya na no kubasa okutwa kubasa kurakuranya ishiya yitu
akora umateka ga cooperatives disco number 5 ya tukoraje
okwegesa kutakabiro ombutongore haro ba member b'isi ya Sako ababanize okereza obujurizi
ikunda isi ya Sako tekaibuza kubi ko kurya yoroni bakutwarazaje
wabano yendaroni omu isi ya Sako wachara ngeri izoba hakwa birobina nababa kwira sente zawoza kurya butana
kindi wabika kasente kawe nurushanga bakupiriho n'utugoba.
Yes nyungwe nkanta kabasa kwira mwana mu university nkukundu kwingana
ubwakabi itwegise kubingoboro ubwakasente ukikakuzesaje ukagarurayo kandi kakugasa
nyina no kubasima ahabukunda banka yanyu kandi mukajikorera abo kuba warebe cyane kiryaha nicoreka ngo nimwekunda kandi mwongera kuyekunda rero ishiye gendo umisha
ebirungi ebindi bigambirwe general manager kanagira ngo nka board bakiriyo nibatekateka ebindi benshi
memba ya faineroni noko yatwaroni ya milioni igana erizoba akafanya chakare rone jishwa esilechashu ekwataisana isha sawa
so bokushoko ishi yatugira ngo memba witu oboshashwire emyezena kandi emyezi 8 obiro takajikoze mwene kugira ngo otereterezanye nazo zonka principal amagoba gemyezi 8 eyo biro takakoze tuzaga kusasira abo shanga sente zitu wazireta tuzakuzora membo ndijo abene wayaziteka mu magoba.
Mr. Manager wewe ni kiboxi
so itwe estwenda kumurisha umusako mwena mugireki mubenge enyarushwe kuzakintu cyayore baki
emushumunkeje ekineyingira kugenda omumataji ga isi ya Sako omushanje okwetorora ihanga Uganda. Omuganda abantu bashabwa okweharumuze gukweguza za loan omuza bank na Sako bakazinyaga nkana ekiretire bitongore bingi byagwa ebigambirirwe omulchiko rukendera umwaka orwa Kichwamba abamwe Sako Limited erukushangwa trading center ya Kichwamba omurimbara City South.
eshara yo munyaje no kugira ngo hazihire hakwe ningo zo muhira afe kugira ngo naburaho gukora ki aho kushasha kongeje banka terabo
imbasha abantu muza kutwicereza habeho kugumana shomesa ba memba bitu abanyabukiko na staff kumano batunga trainings babase kugukombe bakora
kandi ntaseho ni 15 kashangaza milioni 3 25 emitwara 3
sakeje wahate ene ba member abarukurenga omuntu 13 kandi ene ubugiga urukurenga billion m Sako AG mu ngendera yayo umwaka omusya no kombeka ekizimbe cyayo ekitage rukuru bid kibara matone Regional Ministry ya Registrar of Ministry of Trade kana yari mugenyi mukuru hine okwahabwire
ebibina by'obwegasi birina okukula nga n'ememba bwakula ekyo mukitegedde
binteekateeka ng'omwaka ogw'okuligaragaho ogw'2026 ogutwatandikire nituza kukora $541,040
abakitebenkanise bakagitaho nyewe ndi omwe aha bamubalayisa
cyamperesa kugira ngo kokoro abandi ndekire hatunguziremo bodaboda yanjye
aba TV West Lisenyomo Gideon na Susan Chalsimba
mwe bara abanyamakuru bitu twazagaruka tumureho ninjagaruka n'amakuru agandi
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 Harimbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hata no itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bw'umurembe
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka ericyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library ey'omurembe computer z'ekika higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri mukaga nemo Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Royal College Makindye ni ishomero rya private erya day na boarding erukushangwa Makindye opposite na Magistrate Sport ryakira boje n'abishi abwa amashomaga art na ga science O na A level bine library na laboratory by'omurembe bahereza beje mfaraso ebukopo S1 na transport yabsha abwo kumura no kumuruka kwa beje bine ineb center
no batendeka endumi nka French Kiswahili Uganda n'izindi nyingi
rukiraho terra aba Royal College Makindye are not mshanju 82 ashatu 2 15 abirnina Royal College Makindye education is the key. Royal College Makindye
katochi erino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo okurugera izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako ha mutima byaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi erino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi erina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo Katochi alcoholic drink yenuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi mingi. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University, Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwa Ntunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugenda misho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 96 9051.
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi. Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stressi. Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi. Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband. Komora tukunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink. Chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi. Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amanu masyo mubashije hamwe n'abakazi. Nendijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink. Otuntumura chubaro na stress. Echo kunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited. Chamibwe UNBS kandi churuhombe pimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanyibira kuciraho 0702 15 81
Igongo Country Hotel and Culture Center presents Valentine's Dinner at the Eclipse Monument with a special performance by Aziza Ziyan. Dine in love from 5 p.m. Platinum access is only 200,000, which comes with dinner, prize award, welcome bite and drink, and a bottle of wine. Gold, 150,000. Dinner, Valentine bite, and a welcome drink. Accommodation access is 400,000 platinum. A couple room with dinner, a bottle of wine, bed and breakfast, and gold 300,000 a couple, double occupancy room, bed and breakfast, and exclusive of dinner. Beautiful music by the 12 Keys Band. For more information, contact us.
Cooking all that makes food sweet, tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Financial Services.
Mwene muhamenye woni ngisima munonga ko bahenyere ntari kuba kinko banyenda kasente nzayo bakampo mbwire fomu naje twara yizobera nyinshi akaremba mbantera ngo mukama izo yacire sente zawe mwene tsima mahame ako bahetwikize nahantu harunje munonga twatkozere ibintu bingi tankayi wanshanga ha business age niyo mukazi kaje mukora nyonyine zanje okwe konka tutwine bingi munonga twine motoka transport nene kore sente to investinga no mu agriculture nayo ziri yonze turetere sente mwene ito turije munonga muhametine kujigamba kobi n'abantu nibingi nanye nintero muranga banywana banja binja binyene nimba twara mu muhame kandi
Mwije mwena tsepe yanisa etunguka yashira.
All right, listen up. Colgate is on a mission.
It's kind of a big thing. Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth.
New Colgate Herbal with Salt combines traditional nature's herbs with a pinch of salt and Colgate Science. A natural recipe for strong teeth and healthy gums.
Nyikiriza nkwanjurira ishomero rurunje ryo mutindo Exodus College School Wakiso hihi na Wakiso Town Hoima Road ona erevo kandi bine center number Exodus College yinagandi mashomero gari hasi yago Mirembe Exodus Senior Secondary School na Exodus Kinder Care and Junior School abeje mifariso baragishanga hishomero ebyase curite ni guruguru ishomero riri ha musinje gwe kanisa na madina gandi baragacira buri nyikiriza ababurenje rwizoba babigurire office mu kibuga mbarara aha Amazon Building Fro yo kubanza umwaruro gwa kabiri room nambi 12 gamba naba mu office 0 mushanju mwende 2 kinana nemwe inshanju 15 0 mushanju 00 ashatu neina kinana na munana kinana ne 2 ukwandika beji kuri kugendo meisho
New
New Vision aha myaka 80 bakuretera makoma butunu live mu concert bwanyuma y'imyaka 25 bakaririrwe aba makoma bagaruka ku tetiro cy'amani ecyo kweshongora no kwisa urwa katanu ebiro mukaga byo kwa kashatu omwakogu aha Rukororo Independence Grounds Tera Star 25 okugura tickets ziyahashinje mitware 5 ahabwa bona 15 ahabwa VIP 25 ahabwa VVIP wayende meza Tera not mushanju 58 chenda na mkaga 11 mkaga na mkaga tariho kuguruza ticket aha miryango utakaburaho makoma live mu concert Bishagikire Pacific Events Lion Records.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabeje bwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwa handitse ahabwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwo kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mwezi nahawe umugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera umugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukiraho terano tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4
St. Julian High School Gayaza twinira umwana wawe ubwegese bwo mutindo okurwo musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga abwa arts na sciences abeji nibagobero mu laboratory yitu eri mu buri kimwe na library yo mutindo eri kushongera abana okika kurunje bigezo twine nemishomo yebye mikono abeji bari kwekwatiramo bakatungo kumanyira hamwe n'imyoga yo kwebisaho manya music dance and drama hamwe n'ebyemizano nitubitahesira okuretera okuguma bina magara marungi no kweyesiga ebyombeko byitu byombekirwe kurungi okurinda jabeji no kubaho mwanya gwo bugwaji gwo kushomera mu kurungi nk'abaryo muka turiyo ntwandika beji okurugo musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga tera esimu note mushanju mukaga 55 note mwenda 13 ninga note mushanju inamushanju note 5 30 note mushanju
hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikira kubi aho washota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntkozisa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabona basakusha baroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbire muri basa kwangura school van
namazima singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Ready to be entertained? We've got you. GoTV's got more shows just for you.
That's right.
More movies? Yes. Jackpot. More kids shows? Of course. And more football than anywhere else.
No doubt about it.
Yes, we've got more. And we've got you. Pay for your current GoTV package and we'll upgrade you to the next highest package. Get more with GoTV. At home or on the go with GoTV Stream. GoTV. Love it.
Hey! Makobore High School rukunjiri. Ernishomero eryabojo bonka. Eri bari kushoma bari kurarayo. Bine ona erevo. Nibegesa arts na sciences. Bine computer na science laboratories.
Ubuzima beji bona nibayikira yiguru. Administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi. Ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesibwe mice nibaresibwa kurungi. Ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey! Makobore High School ni n'ishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball, otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba w'omugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukungira municipality aha mushozi g'obureberezi obwa North Kigezi Diocese oburi kwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 noti ina hatano ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 82 nkaga na mkaga hatano ni 4 makumyana.
Kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi kandi mu makuru agacencwire ageshuke cya muheru State Minister w'ebyobwegese Dr. Joyce Moriku Kaduchu yarabura bakuru b'amashomero abatarukuratira ebiragiro ebiministry y'ebyobwegese erukubetireho ebyabwambra aha mukoro ubwo bakuru b'amashomero babantu batorana beji abarayitwa mu mashomero gabo.
Bakuru b'amashomero gatargamwe na gamwe gasi niyo kwetorora ihanga riyo n'abatwiro muri Kampala aho bamazire biro bibiri barakutorana beja bamazire kibina cya mushanju barakuza kusiza umusini aho barashomere oriyo muhandiki w'entura wa Ministry y'ebyobwegese Dr. Kedres Turyagenda nagira ngo abazire na beje babasa butakunda aho babesere ngo konka n'ubujunanzwa bwo muzire okuganira no mweji. We are supposed to help them know that it's time for anything. So those who are asking for money come to the next I will ask you at that point to help me make sense with that. Abeja bahereze kibina cya mushanja barukuza kutandika kushoma senior nibija kumurika tamu yabo yo kubanza ahabero bibiri byo kwezi kwa kashatu mwakogu kandi babahereze senior ya kana barukuza senior ya katano nibija kumurika habero bitano byo kwezi kwa kashatu omwakogu. Please inform your parents and the community that what they saw was a corruption of someone. The report was 5th of March. Since the results are already out and selection next week, you have only 2 days between the senior one and senior side. Some of it will be done organically because we are already late. This is a new chapter for your life. Embrace discipline, hard work, and integrity. Secondary education is not only about academic excellence. It's about character formation. It's about talent development and preparation for national service. Minister Kaduchu najara government eriyo nekoretera kubasika okureba ngo yatungura umutindo gw'ebyobwegese. Government came up with a policy to put every secondary school per sub-county to reduce the distance for learners to travel that far. But we see some schools continue to charge school fees in USE schools. Government schools are not boarding schools. For you to be able to turn a USE school to a boarding facility, you must get approval from the permanent secretary. Omugani makuru abeja hishomero rya Chabenda Senior Secondary School bashatagwize bigezo bya senior ya kana kandi ishomerero ndishango mtown council ya Kahunge district ya Kamwenge.
Kwebuzangu echatureta nenche chatureta cyane kindi no kujaguza turasimba ruhanga watu basisize yabo abana bitu bahike kandi bakahikira kimwe mu rwaka bitkoresa niyo karicuramo so tubetuye n'amasikomeye kugira ngo bazakora je kubanga batukabiye umusina yo kubanza kandi abantu bakora tarabare bakuru babo bakoze niyo karicuramo so twimika cyo twajemanyiri twumako bakubuze ubuzo konka barasti yabo no twantkoresa umwaka go kubanza takumako kusetting ubuzo takumanyachi nkatwe twamanyire twumako bakubuze ubuzo ishomerero kashita musabeje berna 50 kandi abeje berana na mwenda bizire na result 1. Tukaba turegistaringira abana 2050 n'ekitongole kirahereza ebizamu ekya UNEB hari abo bana mu bwire bw'ebizamu hagwara homwe yakora ebizamu ceti yaheza konka abana igana 89 bona babuzibwe 289 bona babuzibwe bakija bona bahikire
abeji bakozere kurunja amashomo gona
nyabura semeriro muno kale tukozire bitu aitrikire twetalikale bufika bokuba tukata embabaza mukama zonkanzo zikazi tukwatire mu kusoma ibitabo byaitu
kandi nsima rahanga munonga abo kureba ngo twije tushikire nije mpishire ezo timana ganje tikubasa kwanje tukunda kwanje oyihireho nemba bazarahanga.
I thank God because we have made up to this stage and nisimana bashawita batusomesa because they have been consistent with us no matter the situation.
Abaziro mwanyogo baba bino kwesima
baineza A's, baineza B's and C's, but they have performed very well. Ninsima management ya Kyabenda, Mr. Headmaster, because habo bwiro bwizerano Kyabenda habire impinduka ya amani.
Obwato gugabaguriyo murundo gwa kabera beje barukushitamire bigezo ebya New Lower Secondary Curriculum. Amakoraga gashakwa Sulaiman Mutebi na Anthony Atwine. Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu nko muringo gumwe ogo kutungura obuhereza na no konjera omutindo gw'amizo mbyaro aba Power Bank batongwizeho omukago gwabo hamwe na government okubasa okujuhwera okugumizamo nabasyo obuhereza bw'amizi hamwe na n'obuyonjo omubyaro.
You can anyway, it's okay.
Aba Power Bank babiri bari mu district ya Kamwenge kandi abembezi behanangerezibo kwatanisa hamwe okubasa kureba ngo baganyurwa mu mutebekana seji ebi nebindi birahambaga nkuru za district eji kandi abembezo ku rugo ministry ya mizi ebyo buyonjo hamwe nebyo buhangwa borekero buremezo butwire buruho aha kurebera mizi hamwe no kisyo buherezo mu bantu.
We are ready to work with you. We are working as a team for our project being successful. We assure you we are ready and we shall make it.
And these are some of the steps we can see that can be able to push and make this one-day framework a reality. To the community, I've already said it, I want to repeat it. Tell our people who use our water that water is not free. Water must be paid for.
Aba Power Bank barukutongoza ho mukago gwabo borekere byendererwe bitumire no batongoza inkwatane seji obwo bagumize government neja kwerwa mu kihango okugumiza mu nebinegezo buherezo mu bantu.
For a long time water has been a challenge. There have been financing gaps in the water sector. And initiatives like what Kadwama is doing may not be easily financed when we look at the resource envelope. But then we come in as a financial institution to bridge that gap. But of course, with partners like World Vision and Vision International stepping in, support us to be able to de-risk this financing, the credit we're extending.
I want to request that the people of Kamwenge, like you have embraced so many innovations, also embrace the windy wallet so that we can be able to collect user fees in the most transparent and sustainable manner.
Omukago gutongozibweho gweserwe wash financing program.
Water and sanitation have continued to be a stress in this country. We know it. And yet they're very, very vital. So for you to be able to scale or to give the best, you need to give it some bit of focus. So we decided to craft out WASH as water and sanitation for us to address specifically those needs in those areas. For example, households that don't have toilets may not come for a personal loan to go and put up a toilet. But if you tell them have a WASH loan, then we've given a product and the product is very specific. So we know what it's addressing. It's addressing the social and environment concerns.
Entebekanisa egisirweho Vision Fund Kamwenge District Local Government hamwe n'abandi. Gasha kwa Anthony Twine.
Webare Anthony Twine amakuru agacencwire aho ntunagahendera kandi banagakuseho ndi Elias Rutugusa nyuwe ni kwendeza weekend nonje.